You already die so now.
You want to make money with brick now? I copy.
You want shoe with the big boy?
You want to shoe with the big boys, right?
I'll be like bicycle, my people. See one girl where Yahoo boys just drop. Chris just start, my people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about one girl where Yahoo boy just drop. Just na. As the Yahoo boy drop and let this girl begin the Chris. Now wow, not the way we not go see for social media really. You know, our guests of now this way be say, on another they use eye, they see big boys again. Una go even get boyfriend, una go throw on a boyfriend because of una want follow Yahoo boys. Now, nobody know what they do to this girl now. They drop the girl begin the Chris. So more na shame, let me show this video more so that more na know whether now na family member the girl be. If now na sister, more na go rescue am. Make una go rescue am before the craze go past Joromi, my people. Before the craze go past Joromi, make una go rescue the girl. Now only way I just got to talk. I don't want to make this video too long because when I see the video just now, the thing shockalize me. So make una try, make this girl dey okay. If not, wahala go be like bicycle. Wahala go be like bicycle. That's why I talk I'm rich show. So more than I show the video I beg because the way this girl condition be just now, she need rescue and she need me the career enter as before her craze will come past Joromi. When they come with one way she will come they remove cloth. Nobody know what they do to her. Now, as I they talk to her now, this girl they run mad now. So anybody will see this video, let me share her so that the family member go quick see am, go rescue her before because now she see wear cloth. If you don't pull cloth, wahala will come be like bicycle that time. So more let me show this video. Bye.
You already die so now.
You want to make money with brick now? I copy.
You want shoe with the big boy?
You want to shoe with the big boys, right?
Yeah, reporting live. See this fine girl. Now motor you drop and so when they colo, motor I drop and so. Who drop you? Talk who drop you. Now make the fee help you. Wait. Tell us what happened. See pressmen full everywhere. Tell us what happened. What happened? Now Benz she for come down. She come down for Benz. She wanna chill with the big boys. Nah, you don't they run kitty. Only you that. Nobody follow you run now. Oh, very sad. Stop me, tell us what happened. More look whether will feel help you. Talk now whether will feel help you now. Yeah, just saw this few seconds ago. She dey run mad, motor drop arm. Yeah, we are reporting live from Asian television. Live from Benin City, Benin City live.
Oh, go down for house now.
This is not funny, it's not funny at all. This guy is mad. Now one motor there for your drop on so.
Okay.
Drop on for one motor so. As I speak to you now, the guy is saying he follow big boys. I cut a mat, no worry. You get that colo. So what I will do now? You guys should learn how to be careful.
Share this video. Fake people when they preach what they don't promise. Wetin that they do, now that they feel another person. I was paid 100,000 naira to insult mommy love and to insult Monica, but I refuse to insult Monica. I never come out on this social media to insult people who not find me. Only one person went from push me to insult was Ugo and Africa France lady, and I regret him. I regret him because he almost spoiled my life. Me no know say the first time with Frank, when me and this Nanite, when he caught the misbehave before I travel. When he caught the misbehave before I travel, I caught and I say, may he stop. Later, I surprised, I said, this girl, come call me, say, she go come. Maybe at that time, she take call them. They come planner. But, he chest, you understand? He chest, after we don't cancel everything, she call me, say, no wahala, he go come. Me coffee say, now, as he take talk and I say, me no say, na plan work. You understand? You got me? So, if to say you not really care out for his side, which one be matter? When you come buy you like gala, you come the pain and say, they live fake life. Man, not buy me tickets. Yes. No, I know you saw organic mama one day. If not be frank, pay me. Now, one privileged video presenter where I know one call her name. Pay Frank. Pay me. Yes. Yes. Now I pay Frank. Pay me. Yes. Now Frank they call. He got tell her say, this is woman. Oh God, why we not be saka? Kami ni lao. Ke ni ari home. They can't give me 100K. They can't give Frank 200K. I don't want to call him now. He call him name because that moment when I call him, I don't like him. People will not find me. I promise myself, I can never find them. He don't know me. I'll go and call Mr. Enogi. He know him. He don't know him. No, he don't know him. But now that girl, now devil, now he call Frank before she come my house. She don't know him before. Okay? Okay? So I know what's in the talk. Now that one pay Frank. Frank can introduce me to the saga. I can collect. Frank, be what if you do am, may he collect 100K. Oh, now the phone they use so. I don't want me to call name. No. I can never call name again. Only one name when I go to call now Princess by Bets. When he spent 4,000 euros to try to carry Frank enter UK where he no work. A boy I did the one I exchange contact of. Lovey. Ireva, unwe Frank boy. In person not there for this level Frank not fit gossip. Go reach that FA. Frank scatterlize her, blastalize her, disguangualize her for me. So una way they make friends. Una way they make friends. More than no people. When una they call friends. Not believe. But let me tell you today, say, go on go ask Lizzie Gist. A lot of my friends, I tell them, no, if una like, una, because when I want me to call the name, I can never call the name. No, no, no.